Hello everyone, this is Thomas from Whatthomassays Media, and for this video I wanted to show everybody what it looks like to go down in this beautiful spring at Devil's Den. Devil's Den is located in Williston, Florida, which is just on the outskirts of Ocala, and this den is amazing. The spring is really nice. You can either snorkel there or you can scuba dive. I chose to snorkel, which is my preference. But yes, here are the steps that you go down in this cave. This cave is 120 foot wide, and it pretty much maintains 70 degrees year long, but it's very cold, very cold. But I will be posting underwater videos of all the stuff that I saw. Please like and subscribe to my channel and to this video, and I'll be posting my next video very shortly. Thank you all for watching.